When I was thinking about this introduction to the new food venture from my wife, Chef Evelyn Yap, I kept thinking about that little kitchen of our first home while living in Beijing. As a former advertising guy and filmmaker, I was lucky enough to travel the world along with her for the last 7 years. Amsterdam, Berlin, Yunnan, Hong Kong, Japan, the United States, and many more. We explored the nuances of each culture, their social uniqueness, and of course, all those amazing food. You got 3 stars, no stars, great food, bad food, really bizarre food. Basically no reservations. Which led us to our most recent journey, a month-long trip driving around most of Thailand. Doors were open to a really diverse world in just this one single country. And this one country introduced us to all kinds of people. Old farmers, young farmers, jungle people, mountain people, passionate people, lovely people, people seeking change, and people who can change. And we were left with so much education and enlightenment, and we were humbled and inspired. And yet the one single common thing that was truly precious among all these people was the food. There was just an abundance of it. They were always softly sourced, mindfully cooked, and of course, very happily shared. This is when I realized that perhaps the best way to introduce my wife as Chef Evelyn Yap, even when she had the blessing to be trained by some of the world's most amazing chefs in Michelin-starred kitchens, is to actually go back to that little kitchen in Beijing, where she made a critical lifestyle and health decision to deal with the city's pollution and food safety issues. So every meal she created since then was always thoughtfully sourced, mindfully cooked. And now as part of her Happivore by Evelyn Yap food movement, we are happy and excited to be able to share it with everyone. We've even asked a few new friends from all over Thailand to bring along their best produce and craftsmanship to you. After all, you came here as a guest, but we want you to leave as a friend.
It is going to be a wonderful journey for me, and I hope you will come along with me. Happivore by Evelyn Yap. And I look forward to cooking for you. Peace out.
It's yummy!